Check out how much snow we got. Got 12 inches overnight. Normally there's an edge there. The snow is all the way up to it. See this? This hasn't been touched. This was like in 24 hours. We got that much snow. I just shoveled the trampoline off because it was going to break. There was so much snow on it. And we spent the last hour and a half shoveling our driveway. The kids are having a good time though. They just took off on the four-wheeler and they're going to ride the sled behind it. And my husband's pulling them. But look at this. Isn't that crazy?